Today we'll be learning about Nuar Precision Machinery Company's CE certified C50 CNC die sinking EDM. This is the pinnacle of Nuar's comprehensive family of superior quality die sinking EDMs. The C50 combines the control unit, dielectric tank, and machining unit in a single piece, making this machine a real space saver. But while the C50 is compact, it has excellent precision with a state-of-the-art mirror surface finish performance. The C50's Z-axis features a spindle head with a highly rigid meionite cast iron casing and a streamlined hidden circuit design. So your wiring is securely contained within the casing for safe and trouble-free operations. The C50 safety is dramatically enhanced with its infrared fire sensor that completely shuts down operations in the event of overheating or fire. Speed, efficiency, and precision are essential considerations when choosing an EDM machine, and the C50's transmission system is built to optimize all these performance factors. The X, Y, and Z axes all boast an ultra-smooth servo motor, high-precision ball screw, and top-of-the-line Schneeberger linear guideways. To perfect the system, Nuar has added a 1 micrometer resolution Heidenhain sealed linear encoder with position offset function, which ensures an excellent positional accuracy. Increasing efficiency and speed of operations, the C50 comes equipped with an auto tool changing system with 4 or 6 tool options, depending on your range of machining requirements. Operators find the movable control panel highly user-friendly, and it provides intuitive options to meet your performance needs. Simply punch in key parameters and the machine does the work for you. The feature that really sets the C50 apart from other EDM machines is its C-axis capabilities. While it effectively handles complex X, Y, and Z machining operations like square, circle Lauren, and orbit machining, its rotating head allows C-axis, thread, rotation, and rack machining as well. In total, the C50 provides an amazing 48 different machining modes. Nuar Precision Machinery Company has created a real winner in the high-performance C50. Its compact design, 4-axis capabilities, huge machining range, and top-the-line components combine to make the C50 CNC EDM perfect for all your die and mold making requirements.